Hello everyone, we've got a Venn diagram question here, so let's have a look at this one. There are 8 counters in a bag. There is a number on each counter. Fiona takes at random 3 of the counters. She adds the numbers on the 3 counters to get her total. Work out the probability that her total is an odd number. Okay, Fiona could pick even for her first counter. She could pick even for her second counter, but then she would have to pick odd, okay, because even, add odd is odd. So that's one combination. Fiona could pick even, then she could pick an odd, and then she could pick an even. That would also give us odd. Fiona might pick an odd one first, but then an even, and then an even. That would also give us odd. All of these combinations rely on the fact that even, add odd is odd. And of course, Fiona could select odd, add odd would also be odd. Fiona could not select even, add even, as that would be even. So these are the only sort of combinations that are available to Fiona. So let's work out the respective probabilities of each one of these. So first of all, let's do the probability of Fiona selecting odd. Okay, well, there are, let's have a look. So odd. How many odds have we got? We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odds out of the 8 counters. So that's going to be 5 over 8 is the probability of odd. Now, when Fiona goes to select the next counter, it's going to be 4 over 7. And then the next counter is going to be 3 over 6, okay, because they are without replacement. So therefore, that's going to give us 60 over 336 when we work out that. Let's just double check by doing our 8 times 7 times 6. 8 times 7 times, oops, not add. 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. Okay, so we've dealt with odd. Let's deal now with probability of even, odd, even. So even, odd, even is going to be even, there are 3 of them, so 3 out of 8, times by odd, there would then still be 5 odd that had not been picked, but only 7 counters left. And then even, again, would be 2 out of 6, okay? And that combination is 30 over 336. So we've dealt with even, odd, even there, okay? Next one, let's do odd, even. Probability of odd, even. Okay, odd, even is going to be, what's odd, even? That's going to be, odd is 5 over 8, times by even is going to be 3 over 7, and another even would then be 2 over 6. That again is going to be 30 over 336. Right, so we've dealt with odd, even, that's that one. Next one, we want to do even, odd. So that's this one now, even, odd. Probability of even, odd is going to be even, which is going to be 3 over 8. Then it would be times 2 over 7. And then it would be times by 5 over 6, which also turns out to be 30 over 336. So those are all the possibilities of what Fiona could pick, okay? And she can do it this way, or this way, or this way, or this way. Remember, when you think about the word or in probability, you're adding them up, okay? So therefore, the probability that the sum is odd is going to be 60, add 30, add 30, add 30, add 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh, hang on, one too many there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we only need 3 of those there. Okay, perfect. And then when we add that all over our 336, and that is the same as, that comes to 150 over 336, which simplifies into 25 over 56. Okay. Perfect, so that's how we would do that conditional probability question. Quite a popular kind of question, that. If you're finding these videos helpful, if you could remember to like and subscribe to the channel, that'll help me keep on producing more videos that are going to be useful to you moving forward. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.